Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to embed a form with Weebly and Jotform. This is a fantastic way to collect information directly on your website, whether you're gathering feedback, creating a contact form, or managing signups. Let's jump right in and get this set up. First, head over to Weebly.com and log in to your Weebly account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your home page. Take a look at the left menu where you'll see the website option. Click on it, and underneath it, you'll find Edit Site. Go ahead and click that to proceed. Next, you'll need to choose which website you want to edit. If you have multiple sites, select the one you're working on today. Once you've made your selection, look at the right side of the screen and click the Edit button. This will take you directly into the editor page of your website where you'll be able to make all the necessary changes. Now that you're in the Weebly editor, we need to grab the embedded code from Jotform. So let's switch over to Jotform for a moment. Navigate to your form on Jotform, the one you want to embed on your Weebly site. Once you've opened it, click on Publish. This is where you'll find all the sharing and embedding options for your form. In the Publish menu, click on Play Forms. You'll see a list of platforms where you can embed your form. Find and click on Weebly from this list. This will generate a specific code tailored for Weebly integration. Once the code appears, simply copy it. This code is what allows your form to display seamlessly on your website. Now let's head back to Weebly. When you're on the editor page, make sure the top menu shows that you're on build. This is important because it gives you access to all the elements you can add to your site. On the left side menu, you'll need to find embed code. If you don't see it immediately, just click on Show All Elements and it will appear in the full list of available options. Once you've located the embed code element, simply drag it to the spot on your website where you want your form to appear. Click on the element you just placed and then click Edit Custom HTML. This opens up a text box where you can insert your code. Finally, paste the embedded code you copied from Jotform into this box. And that's it. You've successfully embedded your Jotform into your Weebly website. Your form will now display exactly where you placed it, ready to collect responses from your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.